first time chess is being held out in the open, so that people around can come and watch all the young brilliant minds who are going to fight it out here. Normally chess is always played in indoor, but this is the first attempt to bring it outside, so that the people around can have a view at it, and it is an attempt and start to make it a spectator sport. As we all know that chess has fantastic benefits in education. All the players who play chess, they have better foresight, better calculating abilities, and are able to take fantastic decisions in a quick time limit. So chess has like various benefits, and most of the schools encourage chess. In fact, in many countries, chess is there as a very specialized training platform for kids who are little bit behind in maths and science, and that is why chess is one game which is going to benefit each and everyone, all the youngsters as well as all the people around. In Gujarat, we are doing lots and lots of activities in chess, in schools, in universities. We are holding international rated events every 15 days. So we have created a whole new level of chess atmosphere in Ahmedabad and Gujarat. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Anand Iyer. I head communication for Chiripal. This is a maiden Chiripal chess series that we are organizing at Sabarmati Riverfront today, and I'm excited that the maiden edition has received an overwhelming response with more than 220 registrations. Chess is not just a game; it is about strategy. So you have to think about the move next, and it's a cerebral sport. So it can be useful for young generation when it comes to planning and strategizing their life. So that is the reason we want to promote this sport, and we want more and more young people to join this sport so that they will think strategically in their life. And this is the first edition. The next edition is going to be at Sindhuburn Road, and the third edition of this sport tournament will be held at Alpha One Mall. And we want to free chess from the walls and bring it to the street. That is the objective of organizing this Chiripal chess.
जो रिजल्ट आर्बिटर को लिखवाया है आपको चेक करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने गलत लिखवाया है तो चेंज नहीं होगा. टच एंड मूव रूल, आपने जिस पीस को टच किया उसको कंपलसरी प्ले करना पड़ेगा. फर्स्ट सेकंड इलीगल लॉस्ट, फर्स्ट इलीगल आपको आर्बिटर को क्लेम करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने क्लेम नहीं किया है तो फर्स्ट इलीगल वैलिड नहीं रहेगा. सेकंड इलीगल विल बी लॉस्ट. फर्स्ट इलीगल पे नो इंक्रीमेंट नहीं मिलेगा किसी को. मोबाइल फोन, स्मार्ट वॉच, एनी टाइप ऑफ रिस्ट वॉच नॉट अलाउड. आपस में बातें नहीं करनी है. आपका गेम हो गया, रिजल्ट लिखवा के थोड़ा दूर जाके आप वेट करना है नेक्स्ट राउंड के लिए.
No, let them do it. बस वो तो अच्छा होगा. Something